Just the camera. Hey y'all, so what we're doing now is Yang style short form 12 Tai Chi. What does that all mean? It's the beginner's Tai Chi. We do 12 postures on the right side. We do 12 postures on the left side. 12 that are included in the long form 108. Yes, there's 108 postures in Yang style long form. We're doing the short form, the beginner's form. So we did this in the 6-week series. Those of you that weren't able to do that, follow along, observe, maybe ask questions afterwards. So I'm going to stand up, come to the back of the room, move this chair out of the way. I'm going to see if it's going to be visible in my current setup. I think it is. And you know what? Sorry, I got to take off my shoes because this is better said without my shoes and show my bare feet because it's a contrast thing since I have the pants and the black shoes. So bear with me. I'll take this out of the video so y'all won't have to bear with that, okay? Again, let's come to the back of the room. And I'm looking to see, okay, it might be good. So we begin in what's called eagle stance. Eagle stance is where you have your heels together and your feet out at angles. Now, some folks, this is very difficult for their hip musculature. You may have to be with feet a little bit more apart. And we try to notice, are we putting the weight in the heels and the feet? Try to have it in the whole entire of the bottom foot. Again, this is called preparation or beginning stance, eagle stance. So I'm going to turn around and do the posture. So I'm looking to see where I am in the video. Okay, I'm going to scoot back a little bit so because you can see it. Okay. So again, heels together, feet out. So we did some of the forms earlier where we did the finishing breath where we bring the hands out and down to the center. So we have about 4 sets of forms where we do various arm breathing patterns. So the first one, arms out to the side in eagle stance. So we're going to breathe in, kind of raise up a little bit. And as we exhale, bend the knees, sink down towards the floor. And then inhale, raise up again. And here we go. Exhale, lower. We're going to shift our weight into that left side and take that right foot out to the side. Heel, ball, toe. It's called an empty step. Then we shift our weight from the left over to the right. With that left foot, we're going to turn it in. And then shift your weight over to the left side. Take that right foot, turn it in. And then shift back to the center. Next step is called center and sink. Hands down beside the body, knees bent. Inhale, raise up to about hip level with those hands. Exhale, draw it back, bend the knees, and lower. That's called center and sink. Next is upward, downward. Bring it up to the shoulders. So inhale, up to the shoulders, arms out to the front of you. Exhale, draw it back, bend those knees, and lower. From here, shift your weight over into that left side. Lift that right toe up. Right hand comes up, hand below. You're forming the Tai Chi ball. All that weight is on that left side. Now shift your weight over into the left side, the right side, and we're going to take that left foot, step it forward, heel, ball, toe, empty of weight, then shift your weight towards the left side, turn your Tai Chi ball, turn your hips to the front of the room, so the weight is in that left leg, and then shift your weight to the right leg, lift that left foot, turn it to parallel, and then shift your weight back into that left foot. Now we're going to do the first bow and arrow. My foot's kind of at an angle here, so what I'm going to do is turn the foot, heel, ball, toe forward, and then shift the weight where I bring the hand in front and the hand bound by my hip. You probably know this as split the ball. This is called ward off in this version. Then you shift your weight back to that left leg, bring the hand back behind you, roll that arm back, and then shift your weight into that forward leg, palm into that hand. And then inhale, shift your weight back. Exhale, push it forward. Here's where it gets tricky. So you shift your weight and you lift your foot and you take this foot and you turn it empty of weight to point forward. And your hands are kind of going in this circle here. Weight's in that left side. Very awkward, yes? And then shift your weight to that right foot. Just keep drawing that circle with your hand. Once it gets to about shoulder level, you take that left foot, step it back, toe, ball, heel, and then draw it inward and float the arms down. Next is inward, outward. Form your Tai Chi ball, inward, arms go up and draw it out. Exhale. Bend those knees. Shift your weight into the right side. Turn that left foot. Step it in. Now we're going to go over to the other side. So inhale up. Exhale, bend those knees. Shift your weight into that right side. Step your left foot out, heel ball toe, and then shift your weight over to the left side. Turn that right foot in. Shift your weight back to the right side. Turn that left foot in. Come back to the center. Here comes center and sink. Inhale up to hip level. Exhale, draw it back. Let's go up to the shoulders now. Inhale up to shoulders levels. Exhale, draw it back. Bend those knees. Sink into that right side. Turn that left foot up. Left hand on top. Right hand underneath. Form the Tai Chi ball. Shift your weight over into that left side. First bow and arrow. Take that right foot. Step it forward. All that weight is in that left side though. Heel ball toe. Now we're going to shift and turn the ball at the same time. Your hips are more here towards the right leg. And then shift your weight to the left leg. Lift that right foot. Turn it parallel. And shift your weight into that right side. Now we're going to split the ball and do second bow. We're going to take this foot, turn it out a little bit, and step it forward. Heel ball toe, and bring your hand in front of you, and the other hand down by your hip. It's called split the ball, ward off. Shift your weight into that right leg. Bring your arm back behind you, roll it back, and then push into the palm. And then pull back. You're shifting weight to that back leg. And then inhale, push it forward. Again, here's the tricky part. As you shift back, lift that foot. Start turning the foot to the front of the room, and you're drawing that circle with your hand. And again, the importance is that foot pointed straight forward, and then shift your weight to that back leg. Keep drawing that circle up to shoulder height. Step that foot back, toe ball heel, draw it in and down. Bend those knees. Now form that Tai Chi ball underneath your dantian. Inhale up. Exhale, spread it out. Bring it down. Shift your weight into that left side. Turn that right foot. Bring that heel in. And then finishing breath. Inhale, circle, sweep arms up. Bring down the chi. And then we end with that right fist, that left palm, and bow down. So that was Yang style short form 12 on the left, on the right, and it's part of our beginner sequence in beginner standing Tai Chi. Now what I'm going to do is stop the recording.